What is good everyone, it's DSG Panther here. Today we are finally going to be going to RTMG. As you guys know, I've had a bit of problems with the car recently. We're going to be going to RTMG and they're going to be sorting it out for me. And also we're going to have a look at DKU and we're going to have a look at doing a collab together on my exhaust. So we could have something crazy going on. But yeah, we're going to travel all the way up to Brum. It's about a 4-hour journey. I'm staying there over the night because it's actually Friday. I'm going there Saturday in the morning. Just had a fresh trim as well, shout out to the barbers. But yeah, so we're gonna go and get my car detailed, hopefully. I'm not too sure if that's happening now because I left a bit late. But if we are, shout out to my boys, SPP Detailing, you know the vibe. But yeah, go follow them, I'll put it here. Even if they don't do it, I'll still go follow them. And yeah, then we're gonna go up to Birmingham from there. So yeah, let's get on the road and I'll see you guys when we are getting my car detailed. Good everyone, we are now in London. We are about 10 minutes away from my boys' detailing place. We're going to get the car detailed and yeah, so I'll see you guys when we are there. Hopefully the car's going to be looking clean. Tomorrow we're down to RTMG. Yeah, I'll catch you guys when we are at my boys' detailing. We have literally just got the car detailed. It is looking so clean. I will put some cinematics up now. And I'll also show you the outside in a minute. We're just at a Shell station and then we're going to get on our way to the journey. When we get to services, I will actually show you what the car looks like and how clean it is. Massive shout out to SPP Detailing, it looks so good. But yeah, let's go on our way to Birmingham. As you can see, we are at a Shell. We've got full petrol and all that, so we're going to head all the way to Birmingham. And yeah, there is 2 hours and 45 minutes. Let's go on this journey. What's good everyone, we're now at services and the car is now wonderfully detailed by SPP Detailing, thank you so much. But yeah, we're at the services, copping services, and we're going to get some Mackies. But yeah, have a look at the car, it's still working, you know. As you can see, the wheels are lovely, it's literally looking brand new, so thank you to SPP Detailing. But yeah, without further ado, let's go and get our Mackies and let's head back on to Birmingham. We're about 2 hours away. But yeah, let's get into it. What's good everyone? We've now got our food. I've got a KFC with a large bonus blanket. Don't tell me I didn't put you onto this one. With some chips that have gone everywhere. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy our food and then I will catch you guys. Well, I'll give you a little catch up when we are like an hour into it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Five hours later.
What's good everyone, we are now in the hotel. Actually, it's bare bougie in here, I can't lie. Look at this bathroom, yeah. Look how bougie this is. This is the Village Hotel, look how bougie this is. We are now gonna wake up in the morning and then head to RTMG and DKU Performance. So stay watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Because we're almost at 5k, so let's get to 5k. We hit 4k I think the other night, but yeah. So we're going to go to RTMG tomorrow and we're just going to get some cool things done to the car and then talk to DKU about doing a custom exhaust. So if this video gets 1,000 views and 100 likes, I will do a custom exhaust. Proper custom exhaust, full on straight pipe with some mad back box at the back, similar to the other stuff, short coat. But yeah, let me know. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the morning as we just drove like 4 hours here, so a long day. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning, nice and early, 8:30, and yeah, I'll see you in the morning. What's good everyone, we have now just left the hotel. We're going to get into the car and I believe RTMG is literally just other side of that hotel, so we just got to go left at the roundabout, straight on. And then yeah, we are going to be at RTMG, get the car sorted, hopefully. I think it's got everything gets sorted. It's just going back to stock and getting looked at, so hopefully it's all good. But yeah, let's get in. What's good everyone, we are RTMG and DKU Performance right now. We're going to get the car looked at and hopefully it is running good. We're not working with the company anymore on tuning the car. But yeah, we are now going to be moving on with DKU Performance. Shout out to them. We're going to get party back to stock cap back on. And yeah, hopefully the car is running good. We're gonna get a health check on it as well. But yeah, shout out to DKU, show that up there. Thank you to them. We're gonna be working with them from now on, and we're gonna do some crazy things in the pipeline. So yeah, without further ado, let's have a look at the car once it's working and it's all properly sorted. Had a chat to one of the owners, and yeah, we're gonna do something stupid to the car. But yeah, so he's getting a health check now, getting the map taken off, and then yeah, we're working with RTMG. It's so cool down here. But yeah, thank you to RTMG for this. It's gonna be sick. But yeah, let's it's cold. I'm gonna try to be quiet. There's people out there. But yeah, let's have a look at the car once it's in, and then we can talk a bit more about what we're going to do with the car and our plans with RTMG. We've just came out of DKU and RTMG. They're so nice. Honestly, thank you to everyone there. They've proper sorted me out. So the car is now flashed back to stock. No more remap on it, and it's got the stock downpipe on it. And yeah, we're going to go for a little drive, and we're going to get some TGI Fridays. But yeah, car's looking good, and yeah, so as you can see, everything was all good. The only problem that we have got is the PCV valve is actually leaking a little bit, and also the radiator does need changing as well. But yeah, apart from that, everything is pretty much good. So we're going to go for a drive. Hopefully the gearbox and all that is all good. A massive shout out to DKU and RTMG, honestly legends. But yeah, let's go back home. It's a long drive, honestly, but yeah, hopefully the car's all good and get TGIs, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Good everyone, we are now back in the motor, and I can't lie, this car is feeling so much better. It does no longer do some weird vroom 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 thing that it used to be doing, and it is running so much smoother. Honestly, massive shout out to DKU and RTMG. The guy that owns it is such a legend. He's so calm with me, he's proper helped me out. We've now got some stickers to put on the car as well. So yeah, massive shout out to him. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It has been a bit of a short one, but it was a bit over the place, so I didn't really know what we were doing with our RTMG and DKU. But yeah, we are now officially working with DKU and RTMG, so stay here for content with them. As you can hear, the car is so much better, it feels so much smoother. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. We are so close to 5,000 subscribers, so let's get there. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.